By names of Lumbuye Fred, a Ugandan who is based in Turkey. Previously I had cases, which on Monday, I won those cases. And I would like to take my sincere thanks to the President of the Republic of Turkey, Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, the judicial system of Turkey, and the Ejibadde Guchidale Semudulugu. Thank you very much for the protection. Thank you very much for each and everything. I'm very happy to the extent that the court found out that I was very innocent about the cases which were open against me. Thank you very much. May God bless Turkey and may God bless all the people of Turkey. And I would like to thank all my lawyers, both here and away back in Africa, and all my friends across the world. Thank you for being around with me, but mostly, I would like to thank again the President of the Republic of Turkey, Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, the judicial system of Turkish government, the migration department of Ejibadde province, that is Ejibadde Kuchidale Semudulugu. Thank you very much. May Allah bless all the Turkish people around the world. Thank you very much. Çok teşekkür, all Turkish people. Mubali dala. Akenjagala monsaliremu mukatambuze ensi yonna kati video njitandise. Ebisinga obungi omanyi empaka ezisinga obungi abantu babeera n'empaka nyingi. Gamba gambe tisijja kwogera bintu bino naye amawulire ge Uganda gali gagala okumanya criminal charges zange ne criminal forms just kumulisa ziri page 2 paper 2 sinza kingenda balagako kyamaanyi nnyo. Ezo ndizibalaga nga tungide mu nsepe njagadde balagako nti ekikutta obudde oba ekintu kyonna ekyokya okiwa obudde ne kiwola n'okirinda gye buddako. Mwenda abayogera nabagamba sirina musango gye muli era sibavunaana kubanga eyo ndowooza yammwe. That is the reasoning capacity. So I don't blame any Ugandan kuchiche mwayogera. No. You have all rights, but I had to get some time to reply to you. But as we speak right now, I'm still here. I can't reply to you. Just apart from saying that, please stay where you are and stay calm. I'll address the public when time comes. Njakadde bategeeza. Mbalaze, charge sheet zange. Nziba mulisiza kumulisa. Nabiki n'emisango nali nagitaddewo ne okusinzira ku advice mapande sijja jogera ninga buli kimu kyabadde kiri okay omusango naguwangudde kinjalo bagamba sote muli mu mutwe nze wendi ebisigadde Katonda agenda kumkulembera na kimu kitambule kigende maaso